In a heartbreaking revelation that adds layers of sorrow to an already devastating loss, new details have surfaced about the efforts of acclaimed actor Tommy Lee Jones to safeguard his daughter Victoria in the period leading up to her untimely death. Victoria Jones passed away on New Year's Day, a tragedy that has left the Hollywood community and her family reeling. 2 years prior to this event, the Men in Black and the Fugitive star took legal steps to intervene in his daughter's life by petitioning for a temporary conservatorship. Court records from Marin County Superior Court indicate that on August 7, 2023, Jones, then 79 years old, filed paperwork seeking to establish conservatorship over his 31-year-old daughter. This legal mechanism, designed to protect individuals who may be unable to manage their own affairs due to mental health issues, substance abuse, or other vulnerabilities, was pursued amid serious concerns for Victoria's safety. While the full details of the petition remain partially confidential, including medical records and supporting declarations, the public docket and contemporaneous reporting provide insight into the circumstances. At the time of the filing, Victoria was reportedly under a 14-day psychiatric hold in a hospital in Greenbury, California. Authorities had determined that she posed a potential danger to herself or others, prompting the involuntary detention. Jones's petition highlighted his desire to facilitate her transfer to a drug rehabilitation facility as soon as she was released from the hold. He expressed urgency in arranging appropriate care, reflecting a father's desperate attempt to steer his child toward recovery and stability. A judge initially granted aspects of the request, allowing the process to move forward temporarily. However, the conservatorship was not long-lasting. Later developments led Jones to request its dismissal, and court records show that it was officially terminated on December 18, 2023. The exact reasons for the termination are not publicly detailed, but the brief duration suggests either a resolution of the immediate crisis or a shift in circumstances that made continued legal oversight unnecessary at that point. This chapter in Victoria's life underscores the profound struggles she faced, struggles that her father had long recognized and attempted to address through formal channels. Victoria's death occurred under tragic and mysterious conditions at the upscale Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. She was found unresponsive on the 14th floor in the early hours of New Year's Day by another guest who initially mistook her condition for intoxication. Hotel staff attempted CPR before paramedics arrived, but she was declared deceased at the scene. A 911 call referenced a code 3 for the overdose, color change, hinting at suspicions of drug-related causes, though no official determination has been released. Reports have pointed to a history of alleged cocaine and alcohol use as contributing factors. In the aftermath, additional troubling details about Victoria's final months have come to light, painting a picture of escalating difficulties. She faced multiple arrests in 2025. In April, during a wellness check in Napa Valley, authorities charged her with driving under the influence of a controlled substance, possession of a controlled substance, and resisting arrest. Court documents noted the discovery of a plastic bag containing a white substance believed to be cocaine in her possession at booking. She entered a not guilty plea and was scheduled for a future court appearance. Another incident in June involved a domestic violence allegation at the luxurious Carneros Resort and Spa in Napa, leading to further charges. Separate filings also included accusations of elder abuse, to which she again pleaded not guilty. A mugshot from June 2025 captured her appearance at the time, showing visible signs of distress, including what appeared to be a bruise under her eye. These encounters with law enforcement illustrate a pattern of instability that contrasted sharply with her earlier life. Victoria was born in 1991 to Tommy Lee Jones and his second wife, Kimberly Clowley, whom he was married to from 1981 until their divorce in 1996. She has a brother, Austin Jones, a musician. As a child, Victoria ventured into acting, making her screen debut at age 11 with a cameo in her father's film Men in Black 2 in 2002. She later appeared in a 2005 episode of One Tree Hill and in The Three Burials of Melquiades Estrada, a film directed by her father that same year. Tommy spoke highly of her talents in a 2006 interview, describing her as a good actress with impeccable Spanish skills. Though she stepped away from acting in adulthood, Victoria occasionally accompanied her father on red carpets, including the 2017 premiere of Just Getting Started and the Tokyo International Film Festival that year, where he served as jury president. These appearances showcased a close bond, even as her personal challenges mounted.